Yeah, so let's open to see how dirty the car is. So all dust in and out. This is the driver's seat. This is the passenger seat. This is the back seat. Yeah, so let's clean the floor first. I want to show you how much dust we have collected inside. So this is the driver's side doormat. Let me pour over here. So this is the front passenger side. Few dust. Rear right hand side. So mostly dusty. It's been a week since I've last cleaned the car. So yeah, this is a general maintenance, and this mat is rear left hand side. So let me pour this as well. Yeah, so this is how much it came out. Much needed cleaning. We'll show you the interior, how it looks without the carpet. Yeah, this is the rear left hand side, the middle compartment, the rear right, the condition of the seat. It also needs some vacuuming. Let's go to the front driver's seat. Yeah, lots of dust on the pedals as well. The center console full of money. The driver's seat. Yeah, so let's start with the vacuum. So yeah, to vacuum this car I generally use these two attachments. This one is great for corners and places where you want direct to pull the dirt out, and this one has a brush, so if something is clogged inside the carpet you can use the bristles to take out the dust. Yeah, let's start with the vacuuming. Let's use the another attachment. I'll use this direct to suck up more. So yeah, this is the cleanliness it is going to get. So I'm gonna use this wax as well to clean the center console. I use this interior wax dashboard dresser. It's good. Nice fresh smell. I also use it here. Give it a shine. Interior. Onto the side. Yeah, this is finished. Let's put in the carpet. So always put on the correct carpet. This one is for the accelerator pedal, so never use the big one. It might get caught and lead to accidents. So always use one with the cut. So let me show you what I am talking about. So yeah, so when you drive, it won't get caught under this mat and create an accident. These two, clutch and brake, don't mind because they don't go to the floor. Only this pedal goes to the end. So you need to buy a carpet that has a cutout. So let me clean this as well with a vacuum and catch up. So this is much I would like to clean for myself, because the carpet will get dirty when you go in and out in few times. So I don't prefer it washing. You can wash if you want, but I prefer this way. Yeah, let's move on to the driver's side seat vacuuming. So yeah, this is the driver's side. It is not much dirty, but while I'm cleaning the inside, I prefer doing this. Let's start. Here, this is the condition without the carpet. Look how dirty it is over here. We're gonna clean it. Yeah, so let's clean it from this angle. vacuum this as well. So let's put on the carpet. Yeah, so let me show you how it looks. All clean. I need to clean this. All polished. So yeah, the passenger side is left. I'll quick vacuum and I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it is looking now. All cleaned, front, polished. Show you in the back as well. All cleaned, like brand new. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe. We'll be posting more car related videos in the future.